In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a newsletter from Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This is important because your email templates, branding, and contact-related assets are tied to that specific account. So you want to build your newsletter in the right workspace from the beginning. Once you're in, head over to the marketing section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on emails. This area is where you'll manage your email marketing assets and create the content you want to send out. Next, open the templates section. Templates are a great starting point because they save time and give you a professional structure to work from, especially if you don't want to build a newsletter completely from scratch. When you're in templates, click new and then choose email marketing templates. At this point, select the template that best fits the kind of newsletter you want to create. You might choose something clean and simple, or a layout that already includes sections for images, buttons, and featured content. After you select a template, give it a moment to fully load and be added. It's a good idea to wait until everything is completely in place before you begin editing, so the builder works smoothly. Once the template is ready, look to the left-hand side of the editor and click the plus sign. This opens the drag and drop content options. From here, you can start building out your newsletter by adding text blocks, images, buttons, and social media icons. As you put your content together, try to keep the layout organized and easy to scan. Clear sections and simple formatting can make your newsletter much more reader-friendly. As you edit, make sure to use the preview feature. This helps you see how your newsletter will look before sending it out, which is especially useful for catching formatting issues, spacing problems, or anything that doesn't look quite right. Previewing your email is one of the best habits to build when creating newsletters. After you've reviewed everything, click the three dots in the editor and choose Test Email. Sending a test email lets you check the final result in an actual inbox, which is helpful for making sure the design, images, and content appear the way you expect. That's how to create your newsletter inside Gohighlevel using a template and the built-in drag and drop editor. Take your time with the layout, review it carefully in preview mode, and always send a test before moving forward. That extra check can make a big difference in how polished your final newsletter looks.